Good morning everyone, and welcome to the Wino Farmer. Over the last few weeks we've been having problems with our heater in our hall. It's a gas heater, staying lit. So I'm going to take it apart today and try to get in there and clean it and hopefully get it going. What I'm going to use is just a Phillips head screwdriver and a Q-tip. And all we have to do is take the screws out on the left side and the right side. And once we get those off, we're going to get down there and try to clean that part right there where your gas comes out. So I'll be right back with you once I get the screws out. Okay, so I've got the Q-tip inserted, and you can see, hopefully you can, I just clean it, I turn it just like you're cleaning your ears. Yeah, that was very, very, very dirty. Now I'm going to take a clean Q-tip and see how dirty it is now. There's still a little bit in there, but it's a lot cleaner than what it was. So I'm going to put the cover back on and see if it'll light and stay lit without any troubles. Be right back. All right, moment of truth. Wow. Lit first try. Well folks, maybe that will keep us going for a while. Do you ever have problems? Take the cover off and clean it. Works like a charm. Thanks for watching.